Hello, welcome again. Today we'll be learning how to add fonts. Alright, so open your Chrome browser, then click search. There are a lot of fonts sites, but search will be using the font. So just type the font in your search icon. Then this is the website. You click on it. After clicking on it, there are thousands, or let me say millions of fonts. So you can go ahead and download the one that would suit the work you are doing. So let's just use an example. So I'll download this bouncy. You can see a lot of fonts. So anyone you want, depending on what you want to design. So let's just download this bouncy. You click on this download icon. After clicking on that, then it will pop up on your screen that it is downloading. You can see downloading file. Then after that, just wait for it to download. You can go ahead and download some other ones. So I'll download another. Let's download this poet. So after downloading that, I think I clicked something else. Let me go back. Okay, so just click on this download icon. Oh, I'm still doing mistake. Click on the download. You can zoom in. So once you click on it, it will start download. Then you head over back to your file manager. Yep. So you go to downloads. Then you can see the two font I just downloaded. So but you can't add them to your Pixellab like this. What you do, you click on it, then it shows extract. You click on extract. Then if you feel like, you can delete the ZPI, the zip file. But if you don't delete it, as the file will still exist in your gallery. But if you feel like you can delete it, so after extracting, to show something like this. So if it has extracted, you will see other fonts that were compressed to this zip file. So just wait for it to extract. Yep. You click the zip file, it extracts. Wait for it to extract. So once it extracts, it shows something like that. Then you go back to your Pixellab. Then you click your text tool. Then you go to fonts. Yep. So you go to fonts. Then you go to my font. These are the fonts I've added. You can see them. So let's work with the font we just extracted. So you go to your file manager. You click on that add. You click on the add icon. You go to your gallery. And you search. If you try to locate it and you don't get it, you search the name of the font you just downloaded and use it. So once you click on it, it will come out. It will show here if it has added. Then if you don't see it, you type the name. You can see the poet's font we downloaded. You can see it. And now let's try the other one also. Let's check for the bouncy. Then you go back to your font again. Go to your font. You have to go to my font. Then you click on this two add icon there. So you search. Since we already have it, you just search and locate it there. As simple as that. So you can see the bouncy text and the poet text. So that's how to add text. Thank you for watching.